Welcome to another Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. Hack-a-dish. All right, let me set the situation for you. You ready to go out, take a trip out on your RV, and you forget to charge your battery. You don't know that, you go ahead and hook up and you take off. You get set up, you're at your site, you're trying to hook everything up. You go ahead and you take your power cable and you hook it up to shore power. You hook up to shore power, you try and get your landing gear down, your landing gear comes halfway down and stops. Then you try and get your slide outs, your slide outs come about halfway, then they stop. You try and look at everything, you say, I'm on shore power, why isn't my landing gear coming down, why isn't my slides coming down? Well, that's because your battery is dead. Now, you think with your battery, you've got a converter, and that converter is charging that battery, and it is doing that. But did you know that your converter has limited power? And if your battery is actually dead enough, which we call, it puts it in bulk mode, then almost every single bit of what this converter can put out to charge your battery is going to the battery, and there's not enough power to get your landing gear down or get your slides out. Now, sometimes what people say is, well, just let it sit there for a couple hours. Eventually the converter charger is going to charge the batteries, but it's hot and you don't want to be in your truck for another couple hours. This hack is real simple. Go over to your pedestal and actually cut power, so that way you don't have 120 volts going to your rig. Go over to your battery, disconnect the negative cable. Go back over to your pedestal and go ahead and hit 120. What that does is that releases your converter from charging your battery. Now it's got all this power that it can actually put the landing gear down and pull your slides out. Once your landing gear goes all the way down and once your slides go back out, go over there, disconnect the power, and reconnect your battery cable. Reconnect your power, and then you're good to go, because now the converter's done its job, letting the landing gear and the slides out. Now the charger's gonna take over and charge your battery. Bada bing, bada boom, your day is saved. If you wanna be able to fix 80% of the problems on your RV, check out our home study course at the nrvta.com website. If you'd like to earn an income and create a business while on the road, check out our website at nrvta.info, fill out the form, and start your business today. Now for the keyboard warriors. Now, for you keyboard warriors, yes, there may be some other considerations out there, but I've got this limited to 2 minutes. I gave you 80% in 2 minutes. You're sitting at home, hack it up. Want me to do it right now?
Yeah.
Are you zooming?
I'm gonna digitally.
How the hell am I going to zoom?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to call it a hack in some way, right? Hack edition.
About to take one.
Take one! And then the beeper goes off. So you try and get your landing gear down. The landing gear comes down. You can get your slides out. Damn it, I did this. Disconnect the negative cable. Disconnect the Well, that's because and you forgot to charge your battery. I can't say that. Go to your negative side of your all right, tell you what you're gonna do. Go over to your shore power, go over to the pedestal. Now, since it's 12 volt, you're not gonna get any, since it's, You walking behind me? All right. This is what you need to do. Let me turn it off real quick.